How to create sales voucher in Businet. Users can create sales voucher manually by selecting the customer name and the salesperson. The GL details of that customer will be auto-populated, and further users need to select the other GL account for the credit amount and add the narration. Once the document is approved, users can generate the PDF print of the voucher. Thank you. For more details or queries, please contact Businet team.